Hey Sam, look at this. Did you know that Jupiter is so massive that it doesn't orbit the sun the way we think?
Really? I always thought that all the planets simply orbited around the sun.
Technically, yes. But Jupiter is so big that it and the sun actually orbit a mutual point in space, just outside the sun's surface.
That's incredible. Jupiter's size must really influence its gravitational relationship with the sun.
Exactly. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and its gravity is so strong that it affects the sun. It's like a cosmic dance.
I wonder how the other planets interact with the sun.
Each one is unique. Take Mercury, for example. It's so close to the sun that a year there is just 88 Earth days.
Space really is full of wonders. What about Venus?
Venus has the longest day in our solar system. It takes longer for Venus to complete one rotation on its axis than it does for it to orbit the sun once.
Incredible. And Earth?
Our planet is special too. Did you know that Earth's tilt and orbit create our seasons?
That's right, the tilt affects how much sunlight different parts of Earth receive during the year.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about Mars. It's known as the red planet due to iron oxide, or rust, on its surface.
I've heard about the rovers exploring Mars. It's fascinating how much we're learning about it.
Definitely. And beyond Mars, there's the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocks and debris.
Is that where asteroids come from?
Many of them, yes. Beyond the asteroid belt are the gas giants, like Jupiter, and then Saturn with its stunning rings.
Those rings are made of ice and rock, right?
Correct. And then there's Uranus, which rotates on its side, and Neptune, known for its intense blue color and strong winds.
The diversity of our solar system is mind-blowing.
It truly is. And we haven't even talked about dwarf planets like Pluto or the Kuiper Belt, full of icy bodies.
And then there's the Oort cloud, right? The edge of our solar system?
Yes, it's a theoretical cloud of icy objects far beyond Neptune, believed to be the source of long-period comets.
Learning about space makes me realize how vast and mysterious the universe is.
Absolutely. And to think that all of this is just our solar system, which is a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy.
And the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. It's mind-boggling.
It puts things into perspective, doesn't it? The universe is vast, and we're just a small part of it.
It really does. Thank you for sharing all this, Alex. I feel like I've traveled through space just sitting here.
You're welcome, Sam. Exploring the universe, even through books, is always an adventure.
You know, I've always been fascinated by the idea of black holes. What can you tell me about them?
Black holes are incredibly dense points in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. They're formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed.
That sounds both terrifying and fascinating. Are they dangerous?
They can be, especially if a star gets too close and is pulled in. But they're also key to understanding many mysteries of the universe.
Like what?
For example, scientists believe that at the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, there's a supermassive black hole. These black holes play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies.
Wow, so they're not just destructive forces?
Not at all. They might even be gateways to other parts of the universe. Or to different universes altogether, though that's still a topic of much speculation and research.
Incredible. And what about the possibility of life beyond Earth?
That's another great mystery. Scientists are exploring the potential for life on other planets and moons in our solar system. Like Mars and Europa, one of Jupiter's moons.
Europa has an ocean beneath its icy surface, right?
Exactly. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting areas in astronomy.
It's amazing to think there could be other life forms out there.
It is. The universe is so vast and diverse, it seems almost certain that Earth isn't the only planet with life.
And learning about these possibilities is truly incredible.
It sure is. Space exploration not only teaches us about the universe, but also about ourselves and our place in the cosmos.
Thanks, Alex. These conversations always leave me in awe and eager to learn more.
Same here, Sam. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. It's a never-ending journey of discovery. Hey, Sam, since we're both so interested in astronomy, how about we go to an event about it? There's a meteor shower happening tonight. Would you like to go?
That sounds amazing, Alex. I've never seen a meteor shower before. Where will it be?
It's going to be at the local observatory. They have a large telescope and experts to explain the phenomenon. I think it would be a great way for us to see the theory in practice.
Definitely. And it'll be a unique experience. What time does it start?
I'll send you the details. The display starts around 10 p.m., but they recommend arriving a bit earlier to get a good spot.
Perfect. Let's do it. I'm really excited.
Great. Then we'll meet there. It's going to be a stellar night, literally.
Definitely, I'm looking forward to it. I'll get ready for a night of cosmic discoveries.
Me too. And who knows, maybe we'll even get to see some of those rare phenomena we've read about.
It would be a unique experience. See you later, Alex, and thanks again for today.
See you later, Sam. It was a pleasure sharing this passion for astronomy with you.
See you in the next video.
Bye.